Hello, friends. Welcome back to Learn English by Speaking. Today, I will teach you 10 everyday phrases that will make you sound polite and natural in English. Let's start. Greetings. Instead of only saying hi, try this. Good morning. How are you today? It's nice to see you. These small phrases make you sound friendly and polite. Repeat after me. Good morning. How are you today? It's nice to see you. Asking for help. When you need help, don't just say, help me. Use polite forms. Could you please help me? Would you mind helping me? Practice. Could you please help me? So, thank you. English speakers say thank you in many ways. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. This makes your gratitude sound strong and polite. So today you learn words like, when you finish talking, say, it was nice talking to you. Have a great day. See you soon. Practice these 10 polite phrases every day. You will sound more natural and confident in English. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe for more English speaking lessons. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.